Customizing your truck can be exciting, but if you're not careful, it can cost you big time. Some mods seem harmless, but can void your factory warranty the moment they're installed. That means if something breaks, you're stuck paying for repairs out of pocket. In this video, we'll reveal 3 common truck mods that instantly void your warranty and why dealerships hate them. Whether you're a seasoned truck owner or just getting started, this is a must-watch before making any upgrades. Stick around to the end. Mod number 1 surprises a lot of people. 1.E CU tuners and performance chips. One of the most common ways truck owners try to boost power is by using an ECU tuner or performance chip. These devices plug into your truck's computer and change things like fuel mapping, timing, turbo boost, and shift points. Sounds great for horsepower, but not for your warranty. The problem? Any modification to your truck's computer system can void your powertrain warranty immediately. It doesn't matter if the mod causes the issue or not. If the dealer sees signs of tampering with the ECU, they'll likely deny any warranty claims related to the engine, transmission, or drivetrain. Even if you reset or remove the tuner before going to the dealership, the system logs everything. Most dealerships have tools that can detect past changes, even if the tune is gone. So you might think you've covered your tracks, but they'll know. It's also worth noting that some tuners advertise themselves as safe or warranty-friendly. Don't fall for it. Unless a tuning product is approved by your truck's manufacturer, which is rare, it's a gamble. If your truck's under warranty and you care about protecting it, avoid ECU tuners or chips, at least until your warranty period ends. The performance gain is never worth the risk of losing thousands in warranty coverage. Second, oversized lift kits. Lift kits are one of the most popular truck mods out there. They make your truck look aggressive, give you better ground clearance, and let you run big off-road tires. But if you go too high, you could void your warranty fast. Here's why. Most manufacturers allow for small lifts, usually 1 to 2 inches. But once you go above factory-approved specs, it puts extra stress on important components like your steering system, suspension, drive shafts, axles, and even your transmission. Over time, that added pressure can cause parts to wear out or fail early. And when you bring your lifted truck to the dealer for repairs, they might refuse coverage. Even if your lift didn't directly cause the damage, they can argue that it contributed, and that's enough to deny the claim. Another issue? Cheap lift kits with poor installation. If the dealer sees signs of improper work or aftermarket shocks and spacers that don't meet safety standards, your warranty is at risk. To avoid problems, always check with your dealership or manufacturer before lifting your truck. Some brands offer approved lift kits that won't void coverage, but they're usually limited and expensive. So if you want to protect your warranty, keep your lift reasonable, or wait until your warranty period ends before going big. 3. Exhaust and emissions deletes. Many truck owners want more power, better fuel economy, or just a louder, more aggressive sound. That's where exhaust modifications and emissions deletes come in. But while these mods might seem like performance upgrades, they can instantly void your truck's warranty and even get you into legal trouble. An emissions delete usually involves removing or disabling key components like the DPF, diesel particulate filter, EGR, exhaust gas recirculation, or DEF, diesel exhaust fluid systems. These parts are designed to reduce harmful emissions and meet environmental regulations. When you remove them, your engine might run better and cooler, but you're also disabling critical systems. Here's the catch. Tampering with emissions equipment is a violation of federal law in many countries, including the United States. It can result in big fines if you're caught, especially for shops that do the work. In some states, a deleted truck will also fail emissions inspections and can't be legally registered for road use. From a warranty standpoint, deleting emissions equipment almost always voids your emissions warranty, which is usually longer than your standard powertrain warranty. But it doesn't stop there. Since emissions systems are connected to sensors, engine controls, and fuel systems, dealers may also deny powertrain claims, even if your issue seems unrelated. Even switching to a performance exhaust that isn't EP approved can cause problems. Some aftermarket systems increase engine noise or airflow in ways the dealer considers unapproved modifications. This can be enough to raise red flags during service. And don't assume you can just put the stock parts back on before visiting the dealership. Most modern trucks store data in the ECU. Techs can see when emissions codes were cleared or reset, and that alone can void coverage. Bottom line, if your truck is still under warranty, avoid emissions deletes and loud aftermarket exhausts. The short-term gain in power isn't worth losing thousands of dollars in coverage or risking legal trouble. Stick with approved parts or wait until your warranty has expired before making big changes. Modifying your truck is one of the most exciting parts of ownership. It's a way to make your vehicle more powerful, more aggressive, and more your own. But not all mods are worth the risk, especially when it comes to your warranty. We've looked at 3 common upgrades that can instantly void your factory coverage: ECU tuners, oversized lift kits, and exhaust or emissions deletes. While each of these mods can boost performance or change the look and feel of your truck, they also put your warranty and your wallet on the line. Dealers have advanced tools to detect changes even if you reverse them before service. Once your warranty is flagged, repairs that should be free could end up costing you thousands. And in the case of emissions deletes, you could even face legal issues. So before you make any changes, be smart. Check your warranty, talk to your dealer, and know the risks. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Have you modded your truck, or are you thinking about it?